All right, good evening. Yeah, welcome to another class session today. All right, tonight I'll be showing you how to trade with Trendline. This will be the second class, which we started some days ago, right? Now, the question tonight is what do I do when the trend line has been broken? Let's say you enter at a swing point and on your trend line. And then at that point, let's say market broke it out, and yeah, you had some losses. Your SL was hit, and you're like, okay, market has changed trend from going up. Instead, it's now starting to go down. What do I do at that point? What do you do? All right, let's see what you do. I'll be using GBUSD today. Now, this is what we're talking about. Look at this, a very nice trend line right here, as you can see, the trend line here. All right, a very beautiful trend line right here, right? Now, when you see something like this, okay, yeah, at this point, you wanted to place your buy. At this point, you wanted to buy. And then, at here, you entered and here, boom, market broke out. That's, what happened right here. Right here, right? Let me zoom it out so you can see. So now this was the breakout at this point. At this point, right? You would definitely feel like, okay, oh, what do I do right here? This was the breakout. Initially, what you had expected was at this point, market should go up, right? Like this. Market should go up, right? But instead of market going up, market did what? Market now started coming down. You could see instead of going like this and going up like this, instead, market came this way and broke out, right? Meaning that there's now a new sell, right? A new trend. Now that means market is not going up. And what did you see after that? Market started coming down, right? Market started doing what? Market started coming down. Now, what do you do? How do you enter the trade after your trend line has been broken? It is obvious that this trend line has been what? Has been shattered, meaning that there's now a new trend, right? Unlike what we saw here when market was having a series of higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then at this point, there was a breakout, right? Now, what do you now do at this point? What you do is this: you mark out. At this point, we have. Excuse me, sorry about that. All right, at this point, we have our breakout, right? So what you do is this. Now, when that happens, what you do is this. This is where this was the last resistance level that was not taken out, right? At this point, this was the resistance level that was not taken out, and this was the last support level that got broken. This point was the last support level. Now, what you do is this: you mark out this zone, your trend line. Don't forget that your trend line is your support level, which you're using to enter your trade in the first place, right? Since you're expecting market to touch that line, then you buy. But this time around, market broke it out. What you now do is this: you wait for a retest of that line. After the breakout, you will see that market retested this line and now started coming down. Do you understand now? Now you wait for a retest of this very line at this point. Your trend line, you enter at this point. That point where market broke that structure, market changed character. Do you understand? Do you understand? So you enter at this level. This will be your entry. I don't know if you get that, if that makes sense to you guys. Do you understand? I don't know if that makes sense. Now, when you see a breakout, market will definitely retest that broken structure. All right. That point, that resistance level that wasn't taken out, it will retest it before it now breaks this support level, this last support level on the trend line. Do you understand? Do you understand? I believe that makes sense to you, right? So that means that you now enter at this point, at this level. When market broke it out here, all right, you wait for a retest here, you place your entry at this point, and then you start selling. Okay, entry at this point, right? Then you start selling. Does that make sense to you? I believe you learned something from that. Do you understand? So that is how we train trend lines. That is how we trade trend lines. Do you understand? So at some point when your trend line has been fixed up again, you mark out this new trend and you continue your what? Your new sell. Do you understand? Do you understand? Don't forget that you have to, like, when that is after when this new sell has been confirmed thoroughly. Now, how is it confirmed? This is our change of character, right? The last swing point that was broken out. I told you, I believe you all know what change of character is. Do you understand? Did you learn something from that? I believe you learned something from that. If you have questions, please refer directly to me. All right. On a quick summary, you have a trend line that was broken. Then how do you trade? Trend line has been broken here. All right. What you do is simply wait for a retest of that trend line and you enter your sell. Same thing if it was buying. When the market was buying, what you do is just wait for a retest. The sell trend line was being broken. Wait for a retest of the trend line and start to buy. Do you understand?